Hey everybody, it's Ken Compton from Home Inspector Help, and I will tell you that we've just opened up a new product called Home Inspector Huddle. And what happens is, the reason why we did this was we noticed that a lot of people are asking us questions on our Facebook group, and a lot of people were interacting with us on LinkedIn, and a lot of people are interacting with us on other places in social media, Instagram or whatever. And what happened was a lot of the people that were on there were serious with their questions. And then when somebody asked a question, we answered it. They wanted to get in there and act like fools and spam and, all that kind of crazy stuff. So what we want to do is we're going to keep those social media accounts open. But if you're serious about learning about the home inspection business, what's going on, how to grow your business, let's don't get that off social media. So we've set up a free program here. All you have to do is register for a free account. And we've set up what's called a Home Inspector Huddle. And really, our tagline says it all. Home inspectors meet, share, and succeed. No spammers are allowed. If you don't really want to grow your business, don't come here. If you just want to be a jerk, don't come here. Okay, if you want to be an active participant and really talk about what's going on and problems that you're facing and let others share with you, of course, our coaching team will be in here to help too. Then this is a place for you, the Home Inspector Huddle. Again, if you want to stay on Facebook and all that stuff, do it. But if you're serious about growing your home inspection business, about doing things right, increasing your profits and that kind of thing, get on over here and let's have some serious discussions. Again, it's free. So let me just take a quick tour for you. We have the community tour video, which is this right here. And what it's going to do, I just wanted to go over here to you, show it to you. First thing we want to do is get you to create a shortcut. We have videos on here that tells you how to create a shortcut on your desktop, your tablet, or your phone that will really help you. And then each one of these has a video. So if you want to learn how to, get on the members timeline or do your profile or any of these, all these have a video. And we have badges. You want to earn badges. And there's also information all about that. So if you just want to earn a badge, just click on that and it'll show it to you. Then what happens is it talks to you about it. If you want to earn these badges, it tells you, just click on each one and it'll tell you exactly what to do. So that's the community tour. Okay. And so I really wanted you to spend your time involved in the site, sharing information, learning, that kind of thing, instead of trying to figure out how the platform works. And that's why we made the community tour. So hopefully that's helpful to you.